Zdravo, zdravo, kako se štekaju opet, kako nema muzička emisija Hard and Heavy. Ovaj pat imaju novi sugovornici, se najavljaju na mjesto do dostojstva. Znači na Metal Days, kako se koja godina, taka i ova pokrajine se nogovite sugovornici. No Ajar, znači od Francija, Broken Mirrors, momčina koji ne izguva melodičan death metal, a među njih je momče koji dođe od Kolumbija.
Assim.
Great. Okay.
Macedonia Hard and Heavy. You have two albums. First album, 7 years. 7 years.
Yeah.
What do you think it 7 years? What are you meeting for 7 years?
Was just practice station in Broken Mirrors. 7 years back. That's some kind of superstition in our country. So that's it.
But what do you think the name of the band, Broken Mirror?
You're special. You can explain.
Well, it's too good. We're searching for a name that's and we're feeling we're brainstorming like in big companies sit at the table. What name we can give? One night at home I brought mirror in the bathroom, so we choose the name.
You have a melodic death metal. What do you think it melodic death metal?
We didn't choose it properly. We're just mixing all the influences from different vendors and we get something out of this mess. So that's all we make on music.
Who write the lyrics?
What?
Who write the lyrics?
Lyrics, me.
Where take inspiration?
Many things are from. I love not only a lot of things talking about ecstasy, elevation. It might be also things about the cosmos, astronomical things, books like that inspire me, like Celestine by Mishima or the Tyrannical Mind by Dante Alighieri, some kind of that. It can be a movie reading or anything else that inspires me.
You know, the last album in 2010, yeah? The second album.
2012.
2012. Do you have maybe now the new material, working new material?
It's just right now we're talking. The guy is working on the mixing process in France. It will be finished in a few weeks.
Be the same, just like an old style?
No,
style, just like the first two
I think we
albums?
can say the new one is a little bit more violent. Yeah,
aggressive.
more massive sound. It's more, which is, yeah.
Be the technical core.
With that's a sound and the band that sound. I think they do it well in the US. So we choose that there is some guitar and we try to make this good sound more natural possible. We called it the drum the old way. Trying to make it big but natural.
But tell me, do you have video promotion clips?
We never made videos because I was always thinking it's better not doing nothing than doing it wrong. When I watch some band like us video, most of them are ridiculous. I don't want the music to become stupid because of a video, so I'm going to do nothing. If we don't have the I don't know, the money or to make it, it's really big and it deserves the music. If it doesn't deserve the music, it's useless.
How you started it? How your cooperation? You're from another continent, Colombia. How to be the French, the big corporation together in the band, Broken Mirror?
I'm sorry, man. My English is not good.
Yeah,
Friend, can translate that.
Because we're the base of the band. We were a friend in high school. We from the band. After that, to keep all together and play music together, so it started that way.
Yes, after together to the
After the single album, first album, we had to change drums, so we had Julian went to the band. And then for the third album, I decided to quit the guitar, left only on the singing, and so met Adrien was taking my job to the guitar. And he is doing it better.
But now maybe living in France, yeah? Same city, I think so.
It's between Lyon and Geneva, Switzerland. It's a whole city. And the funny thing is that except there's no lake here, it looks just like our city. We don't have the same kind of country, just like here. And the funny thing is that when we were arriving in the days, we were saying, wow, 13 hours in the car, but to stay at home.
The first time here, the boat,
He is always driving with our
every year you come here. But when I have the band.
Yeah, listen to the everybody.
After you just going to another festivals this summer?
Another in Lyon. There's a festival called Silar Festival. It was a kind of a small festival, but it's getting really big. It got Gojira last year. In fact, it's getting really huge. One of the I know the man who's behind the festival, and there was one who was a co-producer for the Hellfest festival. So it's working good and everything's perfect.
Who is the plan in your future? After the recording the new material, maybe you started just like a headliner tour in Europe and going to the bar, concerts and festivals. Maybe doing
the new album.
video promotion.
We definitely need to promote the new material, so we're touring extensively to promote the new album.
Do you play in another country? You play?
Yeah, we have made a European tour. That's it.
Just like a sport band?
To Sonora. From the beginning of the band, we actually made more than 2 different different countries. Even in our country, we have all the big cities.
And Fabienne, what do you like to say for Macedonia?
I always have to find something interesting to say, and this time I will probably say